SHSAT. Specialized High Schools Admission Test. What is the SHSAT? The SHSAT, Specialized High Schools Admission Test, is the only criteria to get into one of the 9 specialized high schools in New York City, except LaGuardia. Beginning in fall of 2025, the SHSAT is computer-based. What are the specialized high schools that use SHSAT? Stuyvesant High School, Bronx High School of Science, Brooklyn Technical High School, the Brooklyn Latin School, High School for Math, Science, and Engineering at City College, High School of American Studies at Lehman College, Queens High School for the Sciences at York College, and Staten Island Technical High School. Who can take the SHSAT? Current 8th graders or first-time 9th graders can take the SHSAT. The students who can take the SHSAT are those who go to New York City. Public school, private school, parochial school, and home school. The SHSAT is free for all students. Deadlines. Students can register for the test in early October. The test is administered from early October to early December. New York City residents can have late summer testing. Test format. The test is 3 hours long. Test takers can split up the test however they want within those 3 hours. All of the test is multiple choice, except for the 5 grid-in questions. There are 114 questions on the test, 57 ELA questions, and 57 math questions, with 5 grid-ins. Test prep. The DOE has free test booklets with tests and detailed explanations and a student readiness tool in March. Recommended resources. Students can buy the following and practice for the test. Kaplan SHSAT Prep 2024 to 2025, with 3 practice tests. Stewie Prep Online, 24 official released tests. Barron's New York City SHSAT, Specialized High School Admissions Test. Test results. Students should use MySchools, https://www.myschools.nyc. To apply for regular high schools and the SHSAT. Results will be released to MySchools in March. Good luck! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel.